walked in like a half-told secret, past on fire, but your hands ran cold. Every word hanging on the ceiling, like I knew what my future holds. I don't even know your name yet, still I feel you running through my blood. How you make the dark feel golden, turn a quiet room into a flood. Oh, you're a shadow in the sun, burning bright, but in the rough. I reach out and you're already gone, but I still keep coming undone. You're a question on my tongue, tastes like joy, tastes like love. I could chase you till the morning comes. Shadow, shadow in the sun. You light flow and the air starts spinning. Every doubt melting off my skin. Every step like a spell you're casting. Pull me out while you pull me in. I could stay forever in this moment, lost between the mercy and the rush. You're the secret I keep almost saying. You're the spark that I can't give up. You're a shadow in the sun, burning bright, but on the run. I reach out and you're already gone, but I still keep coming undone. You're a question on my tongue, tastes like trouble, tastes like love. I could chase you till the morning comes. Shadow, shadow in the sun. Tell me, are you staying or just passing through my day?